You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, very common word in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English that many get wrong, make sure to stay tuned. I got tons more videos for you. You're going to learn tons more English pronunciation, usage. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. How to pronounce you, just like you, sage, alright? Some may say it as usage, but generally it's an S sound. Usage, usage, stress on the first syllable. Can you say usage? Usage. It's easy once you know usage, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.